Today we break into an abandoned TV factory in the Netherlands during one of the biggest snowstorms the country has seen in decades. It all started in my bedroom. I was playing a video game and then my phone rang. It was George 1. He asked me if we wanted to go to an abandoned place. I said yes, but it was cold, dangerous. Will we survive? I guess you would have to watch till the end to find out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there is a big ass snowstorm. Also that part over there. We haven't been in there. And we haven't explored the first area. And that is something that we're gonna be doing right now. Not know where those are. We are currently walking on the old train tracks. You can see the snow on the building. There are also 0 cars at the property. So I guess we can explore pretty much everything. This is where we have to cross, as you might remember. And there might be ice that we cannot see. Look how deep this is. This is at least 3 hamsters deep. That worked. John made it. I am climbing up. No! Right. Up until our foot in the snow.
Yeah, it's too much.
Let's go in quick. Inside of a factory. In the mid of the winter. Look, there's snow inside.
Oh shit!
Look at that. These are some of the floors that last time we couldn't explore, but right now
It's a monster.
we can. What is this? I've never been here yet. Look. I could probably say a lot of shit has happened here. Ugh, there's actually shit in there. Oh shit, this is the old elevator. Here we are. Oh look, it's another bloody hand here. We have not been here yet, have we? No. The elevator.
It is locked.
This is up the ladder. George 1 is right down there. Got some things up here. As you can see, the snow is entering from right here. And it goes through these little holes. And it goes right up on the floor. I'm guessing that's just the wind. Look at all of this snow. Look at this. It is swaying. It is winding. It's getting much worse. This is insane, man. Oh my god, it's attacking us. It's attacking. Oh! Oh! Chair. Sit on it. Alright. Rate it from 1 to 10.
Comfort a 10.
Yeah?
Temperature -1.
What about the view?
Amazing.
Do not enter. What the fuck, ladies and gentlemen, look where I am. Down here is the deep depths of the factory. It's gotta be like, at least like a 4 meter. Please don't die, man.
Number 15.
Alright, it is fine. Alright, cameraman, film me.
Yes.
We're going up. Since we climbed the side of a tower where there was echo, the audio was pretty much horrible to listen to. So for the next few seconds, I'm just gonna be doing a voiceover because audio quality was it wasn't very good. As we made our way up the ladder, we opened the door and saw some weird machine. Upon inspecting the machine, we figured out that its purpose once used to be to pull up and let down the elevator. After that, we made our way back downstairs. Right. Here we are in like the old engine room place thing. Look at that. Look at all of this, man. What? Currently alone. Georgian he just I do not know where Georgian went. He's just gone. I haven't seen George One in like 10 minutes. I have no idea where he went. Yo, ik schop me kapot, gast. As the sun started to set, the building got dark pretty fast. So we decided it was our time to leave. Alright, we're going back down. So we left the building and said our goodbyes. Oh, ik vind het wel genoeg geweest. There's no one out here. When moving away from the building, I slipped. Oh, fuck. And then cum squirted all over my camera. Luckily, I decided to get rid of it. Oh.
We did it. Hi guys, we did it. My hands are frozen.